When you flip the live plate, there's a chance that you can get cut when you hold the bite handle. So you need a good control to flip the live plate. Today I'm going to tell you 3 tips how to control your bite handle. Alright, first tips, you can learn the move called the wrist pass, which looks like this. With the wrist pass, you can understand the flow of the live plate, so you won't get cut. To do wrist pass is very easy. First, you have to grab the bite handle, then swing out. After that, swing in toward yourself and turn your wrist like this. After that, catch with your thumb. Alright, let's recap. Swing out, swing in, turn your wrist, catch with your thumb. Your hand should move like this. Okay. Alright, the second tips is to flow with the bite handle. It looks like when you do a Zen rollover, and at this position you can lower your hand and follow the momentum, so you won't get cut like this. It's useful to do your combo, and in this position you can continue to do a short stop like that, or to do a fanning, jog fan. The key is to move, to flow with the momentum, so you won't get cut. The last tips, you can use electrical tape to tape your bite handle. So when you're flipping and hold the bite handle, you will get an extra tension, so you won't get cut. It should look like this. I'm taping the bite handle, so when I'm flipping and I'm holding the bite handle, I will get an extra attention. Oh, I'm holding the bite handle, so I need to move, so I need to pay an extra attention that I won't get cut. And you can tape the sharp part of the blade. You can tape all the way down, but that's not cool. It's just an option. When you tape the live plate, it should look like this. So yeah, that's the 3 tips how to control the bite handle, so you won't get cut. See you in the next video.